To solve this equation, we need to isolate the square root term, which is this square root 2x plus 3, and then square both sides to eliminate the square root. So the first step must be to take this 4 to the right hand side, so that I now have the square root of 2x plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 4. Easily now we can square both sides. This square would take care of this square root here. So on the left hand side we simply have 2x plus 3, while on the right hand side this is the same thing as 3x minus 4 times 3x minus 4. We will carefully distribute each of these terms here, this times this, and then the same term times this. And we'll also do the same thing for negative 4 times this and negative 4 times this. So when we do that, we are going to have 9x squared minus 12x minus 12x then plus 16. So that the right hand side is simplified into 9x squared minus 24x plus 16 is equal to 2x plus 3 on the left hand side. We need to rearrange this equation so that we can have a simple quadratic equation, and by moving every term to the right hand side. In doing so, this will become 9x squared minus 26x plus 13 equals to 0 here. Or we can simply write 9x squared minus 26x plus 13 is equal to 0. So this is what we need to solve to get our value for x. This is not factorizable, as you can see. We are then going to use the general quadratic formula to solve for x. The general quadratic formula in solving for x is given by negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a, where our a is 9 and our b is negative 26 and our c is 13. So I'll write that out. A is 9, b is negative 26, and c is 13. We now need to plug all of this into this formula to obtain our value for x. X is going to be minus b, which is minus 26, so that's into bracket negative 26, then plus or minus the square root. B here is still negative 26 squared, then minus 4 into 9 into 13 divided by 2 into 9. This is 26 plus or minus the square root of 26 is 676, then minus 4 times 9 times 13 is 468, then divided by 2 times 9 is 18. So the solutions are x is equal to 26 plus 676 minus 468 is 208 over 18, or x is equal to 26 minus square root of 208 divided by 18. We need to press our calculator to get these values. This is 26 plus 14.4 to 2 decimal places divided by 18. This is 26 minus 14.42 over 18. The first one gives 2.25 to 2 decimal places, while the second one gives 0.64 to 2 decimal places. So this is how to solve this type of equation. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Kindly give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.